everyone, thanks for coming back for another video. In this video, I take my mobile home deck from drab to fab. So I had to start off by clearing the deck of the trash and items I didn't want anymore. So after that, I gave it a good sweeping and it was sprayed with some product and then rinsed. I am so happy to get this video out so fast after my last cleaning video I did. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it below in the description box. It shows the new color I have on my cabinets and the entry area I created for less than $100. Faux brick wall was purchased at Menards and I needed 3 of them. They were $30 each. I got this outdoor rug off Amazon. I love it. It's so thick and strong and I can clean it easily. I will try my best to link everything I can in the description box if you wanted any of these items for yourself. The patio furniture I purchased at Home Depot, I felt it was the best price for the durability. I paid about $251 before tax and they came with the cushions, so I thought that was a really good deal. I'm showing you a clip of the very first chair that I put together, and I struggled at first, but after this first chair, it was so easy to put together by myself. So I decided I was so sick of the winter and longing for the summer days that I needed a space that I could enjoy. At every house, even apartments, I've just about always had a garden, even if it was just in planters on my deck. I love to go out in the early mornings before everyone is up and drink a cup of coffee and watch my birds eat from the bird feeders. And I love watering my garden and flowers. So I knew that regardless of living in an old single wide, that this is something that had to happen here. So I set out to Pinterest and started my vision board and created a space I love. Because remember, it's not where you live, it's how you live. The next day I start off with my usual. When I'm not drinking my Premier Protein coffee mix that I like to drink, I like to use this creamer. And when I have a sweet tooth, I'll use a creamer with more sugar in it. I mentioned in my last video that I wipe my couches with Pine Allen. I'm not sure if I'm even pronouncing this right, but I just stumbled across this cleaning product brand and it has a couple of other smells. I loved the smell of this Floral Delight so much. I have not stopped using it. This is my favorite way to clean lately. I will grab a bucket and fill it with hot water, put a little bit of Dawn in it and about a 1/4 cup of this Pine Allen and let some rags soak in it. And I'll just go crazy cleaning everything. I can wipe everything down, walls, couches, floors, and I'll just switch out the water as I go. I just love it. I think it smells better than Pine Sol or Fabulosa. It's not so strong, in my opinion, as strong as those brands, and it leaves a light, fresh scent around the house. So I'm just in love with it. I pulled these chairs out of storage and decided to add them here for more seating, so I'm just giving them a good clean. All of these items I got at Walmart. Got this gas fire pit at Walmart for $179 before tax. I love it because it can also be used as a table and it comes with a cover to keep it protected. Before the comments start coming in, I wanted to let you all know those shades in the back go up. And I got them on Amazon. I'll link them below. And the curtains open so it can be completely aired out. The flame is also adjustable on this, which is another feature I love. I also like that there is a door that hides the gas and the kids know to leave it alone.
It's where we don't know about to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we